But Riverchase is far more than just beautiful homes. It's anchored by one of the city's two main retail shopping destinations, the Riverchase Galleria. Surrounding the Galleria and extending throughout the Riverchase area, you'll find a thriving commercial and business district. This concentration of businesses provides a significant employment base and a wide array of convenient services for residents and visitors alike. From corporate offices to medical facilities, local eateries to professional services, the business side of Riverchase is incredibly diverse. This means convenience for residents who can often find everything they need without having to venture far from home. It also contributes to a strong local economy, making Riverchase an attractive location for businesses looking to thrive. The strategic location of Riverchase, with its excellent connectivity to major highways like I-65 and I-459, further enhances its appeal as a commercial center. This accessibility ensures a steady flow of customers and clients, benefiting the numerous businesses that call Riverchase home.